Hey guys, so I've got the little talking robot just here. This is the one that I got for my birthday from my dad, and I haven't really had a lot of time to wire it up and put stuff on the SD card, but I've finally done it. So we've got a few little sounds on there. It actually can play up to 255 separate sounds. Now the way it does that is it's a bit weird. It took me a little while to figure it out, but on here you'll see there's a number of buttons and a couple of lights and things like that. Actually, we'll go on to that in a second. So we've got it hooked up to some batteries. These are probably, it's a little bit high, the voltage on these actually. They're 1.4 at the moment, so it's, what is that, 4 times 4 is, I don't know, whatever. It's above 5 volts, which really it should only be about 5 volts going in. Anyway, we've got a PAM 8403 amplifier kicked onto here as well, a speaker. I've had to put a little cap in there because it's making a lot of noise, but this guy, so when you press a button, it'll make a noise. So a corresponding file name based on the button you press. So I've just put some sound effects on there. You can stop them by pressing that red button there. So if we choose one that goes on for a long time, oh, that one doesn't work. I'll explain that in a second. So this one goes on for quite a while. It's quite an annoying noise as well. Anyway, these are Star Trek sounds. So you can just press the red button to stop. You'll notice his little eyes light up. He's got a nose, which is a capacitor, which is really cool. I think it's an ATtiny 223 something. I can't really remember, but in order to select the sound file that you want, and it will play up to 255, we have to use a binary system. So it uses 8-bit binary, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, whatever. It goes up to 8 actually. So, and these are the numbers here. So we've got button 1, button 2, button 3, button 4, button 5, button 6, button 7, button 8, and it corresponds to binary. So button 1 is the 0, and that's equivalent of pressing 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. 2 is a 2, 3 is a 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. And so using these buttons in combination, you can create any number up to 255. So for example, if you held down button 7 and button 1, it will give you 65, so file number 65. So you have to name these. In fact, I've got a pencil in here. So your files are named like this inside the SD card, which is on the back. And so it would be 001.wav and all the way up to 255. I don't have 255 files on there because it would have taken forever to do that, but we have a few. So we can play number 65 if we want. We can use this example here. So button 7 is 64 there, and we want number 1, which is just down here. So if I just press 64, it will play the number 64, but we can also hold down both of them and we get another one. So anyway, he's very simple. There's not much more to it than that, but I thought it was really cute, and I thought this 8-bit binary system of picking up the numbers from the buttons is very cool. So I'll put a link in the description of where you can find this little guy if you want to learn more about him, or buy one even. I think they're like 14 quid or something, so not very expensive. You can see there on the back it's 1, 2, 4, 8, 32, 16, 64, 128 there. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Bye.